Hi, my name is Miss Mimi. Today I am conducting a cooking presentation and I am cooking today salmon, low carb salmon cakes. The reason why I stress low carb because don't have no starches in it. Well, you heard of salmon croquettes, you heard of salmon patties, but my salmon cake is going to be filled with low carb ingredients. So come on in and we're gonna work together. Where's Pearly? I'm sorry, I'm looking for my dog Pearly. Well, he must be hiding like always. Well, with these salmon cakes, they are low carb with special ingredients. And if you don't like the ingredients, they're optional. You could change them up with any other ingredients that you would like. Oh, there go Pearly. There you go. Look at him. Well, anyway, so let's enjoy
Hi,
together with
everyone.
this cooking
This is Pearly.
presentation.
Say hi to everybody, Pearly. This is my best friend, my support animal, Pearly. Say hi. Yes, this is Pearly. Today is Saturday, and this is Pearly. He's spoiled. He just got the bathtub, and it's hot today. So, what we're going to do today, we are going to make some low carb salmon croquettes, but we're going to make some alternatives so it could be low carb. So, basically, you could put what you want to make your substitute from like the flour, um, whatever you want, but I put something different in my salmon cakes. So it's gonna be surprising to many. So please don't judge me. But my doctor been getting on me about my weight. And yes, I have an autoimmune disease and I have been ill, you know. I have a disability, so therefore I do have to take better care of um my body, and so I have to make alternatives with my new way of life. So therefore, I have been, cooking differently. So we're going to be doing it. So I'm going to show you how I make my salmon croquettes. So Pearly, you want to say hi to everybody? Come on, come on, come to mommy. Say hi. All right, now we're going to get right back to you. Hi, I'm back again. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you um, as I am going to put the salmon cakes on the pan in the pan, so they could be cooking. Okay, let me turn the camera around to the pan. If you see the bacon, I make mine pretty big. Yeah, you can make them small, miniature, however you like them, medium, big, whatever.
Hi, as you see and look at the salmon patties that I had created, it's going to be kind of thick. And the ingredients that I couldn't share with you because that part of the video is missing. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm not a professional with video. So, anyway, the ingredients that I have, I try to post it up there also as I'm making the video. However, the ingredients is chopped fresh spinach. I chop it fine. I say about a half a cup. Also, I chop fresh garlic cloves, about two of them, and red onions. That's my desired taste. You could use yellow or white, whatever you desire, but I love red onions. Um, I put Old Bay seasoning, about a teaspoon. I love the taste of Old Bay. I also added garlic powder. I love garlic. Black pepper. I also add shine, shine, shine red pepper. I'm sorry, I can't even say that word. Cheyenne red pepper. I just put a little dash in there because I love that kind of hot taste. So it's optional. It's all about how you your desired taste. Well, instead of using flour, that's the thing with the starches with low carb living. You can use almond flour, you can use coconut flour if that's who you choose to use. But I use port rinds, and what I did,
Don't it
I
look
grind it
cute?
up, small and fine, just like flour, and I added it to the pot. So the bacon that you see frying up there, that's just the bacon that I will add to my sandwich as one of the toppings. So that's just something that I just add for my own tasting. But anyway, like I said, this um, is a good dinner if you don't feel like eating a whole full meal. So I made this up myself to my own liking, like I said. And so I hope you enjoy it. And, you know, Miss Mimi,
Starting screensaver.
low carb salmon patties. And excuse my TV, I'm sorry. All right. Thank you.
Now that you see that they are cooking, I'm going to get back with you after they get done, and I'm going to show you how they look after they get done. All right? Get right back to you. Hi, everyone. Okay, I just want to show you what's been going on with the salmon cakes. Okay, it's cooking. Some has been coming out. Now, the bread that I've been using, okay, I got them from Walmart. Okay, and the bread for the low carb is called keto. They've been selling it at Walmart, and it's only 3 grams of net carbs. So usually, uh, if we're trying to lose weight, we're trying to eat like 25 net carbs a day. So one bun is 3 net carbs. So this is great. So you get them from Walmart, okay? So I'm gonna take the bread out. I toasted the bread, taking the bread out. I'm using my hands because I'm eating this sandwich. Nobody else is eating it but me. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna dress my own sandwich. Excuse me for my Dijon mustard because I like my Dijon mustard. Say my Dijon mustard. Okay. Now the salmon patties is done. I like mine's kind of burnt, not burnt, but well done. You know, I like mine's kind of well done. I'm sorry. Some of you might not, but I do. I like mine's well done. As you can see, two of them is done, the smallest one. So I'm gonna take them out. They got little pieces here. I just put them to the side. Sometimes I give them to my dog because it won't hurt him. Except the onions, you know, I really don't give him a lot of it. But he tried to eat everything that I'm eating. But he had his meal for today already. So I'm going to dress my own sandwich. You know, you could dress your sandwich to the way you like them. You know, and I'm going to dress my sandwich to the way I'm like it. I'm sitting in the chair because my back, I have bad back. Okay, so here's my Welch's drink, non-alcoholic beverage. I drink my Welch's grape, red, sparkling. Non-alcoholic beverage. It's Welch's sparkling red grape. Refreshing. I love it. Okay. Non-alcoholic. It's 110 calories. So I drink this while I'm cooking. Some of you drink your wine. But anyway, how I dress my sandwich, I'm going to put the camera to it. So I put my lettuce. No, let me put my Dijon mustard. This is Dijon mustard. I love my Dijon mustard. I'm not really a spicy girl. I do have some spice and stuff, but I do have hot sauce, but I really don't want hot sauce. I really don't want it that hot. I do have pickles, but I don't want no pickles. I put my lettuce, you know. Gouda cheese. I don't want the whole Gouda cheese. I just split it in half. You know. You can have the whole Gouda cheese if you want to, but I just choose not to have the whole Gouda cheese. Okay. All right. Now my bacon. One slice for each. You know, just a small. I love bacon. Okay. For low carb, a lot of us eat bacon. Now look how big these patties are. Ah. Remember, I put spinach in mine, red onions, garlic, you know, whole garlic, you know, garlic clove. I chopped it up. Okay. Eggs, salmon in a can. Yes. Look at this. And this is my dinner. It's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. But this is what I would eat for my dinner. But this is it. And I'll put my thing on top. And look how it look. Now you tell me that sandwich don't look good. Low carb salmon patties with spinach in it. Don't it look good? Oh wow. I don't measure anything. I'm from the South. And then I made a salad. Yes, I did. I made a salad. You can't go wrong with a salad. Look at my salad. Now I got apples. I got red, orange, and yellow peppers. I have avocado. And right in the middle, you see I have bacon. I have the real bacon bits. Okay? I have red onions. Then right here, I have a little bit of spinach. And then at the bottom, I have my lettuce. Ain't that healthy? You tell me I'm not eating healthy. Now, my doctor, I know he's going to look at this video and he's going to be proud of me. And he's going to be proud of Miss Mimi because she is eating healthy. So, this is my dinner for Saturday. It's hot outside and it's cool in the house, and I'm eating right. So, this is my salad, and this is the salmon patties. Oh, sorry. Oh, everything is falling apart. Not falling apart, but now don't that look good? Maybe I'll start a low carb restaurant. People that want to lose weight. Now this is the salmon patty. Got the bacon on the side. Okay. And here is my Welch's non-alcoholic beverage. Sparkling. If you're a wine lover, non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic. See? Non-alcoholic. And if you love the Lord like I love the Lord, yes, I love the Lord. Thank you for watching my video. Have a blessed and wonderful day. And love yourself. And start this journey with me. I'm going to come up with other recipes and share them with you. Okay? You have a wonderful, safe, and prosperous Saturday afternoon. Bye-bye.